Hello student, in your C programming, next topic is ternary operator. What is ternary operator? The ternary operator is the conditional operator. Ternary operator is the conditional operator. There is a one ternary operator in C. It takes three operands. We can use the three operands. We can use the symbol. What are the symbol we can use in the ternary means is the question symbol. Question symbol we can use. Question symbol we can use in a ternary operator. I will write down now syntax of ternary operator. What is the syntax of our ternary operator means? First we can check the expression of the ternary operator. Then we can write down the question mark. It means ternary operator we can use and value 1, then value 2 we can check here. Expression means it is the relational expressions we can use. Relational expression we can use. Expression means relational expression. Relational expression we can use. Value 1 means we can assign the value of true or false. We can check this one. Value 1, value 2 means we can check the value of true or false. We can check this one. I will write one example of a ternary operator here. Example: hash include stdio.h. It is the header file. Hash is the preprocessor directive. It is the header file. Then include, we can include the standard input output of the header file. H means header file. We can assign the programming. This is the main means we can start the program with the floor bracket opened and we can initialize the value here. I will take an integer of a is equal to 4. I will, whatever the value we can, here only I will declared here. Sometimes we can we can initialize. It means we can write in a comma b comma c comma. We can see in output. That time we can represent the value. Here I will directly we can declare it here. B is equal to 5. Result 1 comma result 2. This is the data type. These are all the variables. Then now I will represent the ternary operator. Result 1 is equal to result 1 is equal to a greater than b question mark. I will use the ternary operator a colon b. It means a greater than b, a colon b. It means we can represent the a value and the b value we can see here. Now we can print the value. Printf the result 1 is equal to percentage d. Why we can use the d means we can use int means we can return the percentage of d, comma result 1. This one I will return here. Why? Because I will return result 1. I will return here means I will take a plus b is equal to c. It means I will take a result 1. I will represent the output here. This abcd ab value we can represent in a result. So I will take this one. Then second one I will return result 2 is equal to A less than B question mark A comma A colon B semicolon. It means the print f the result 2 is equal to percentage of D slash n. Slash n means null value. Result 2. Here I will represent the result 2. Why? Because I will take a here result 2 is equal to A less than B value. Whatever the operation here performed, it will be stored in a result 2. So I will take this one. Then I will close the program. What are the output will become here now? A already 4 will be there. B is 5 is there. Here I will return A greater than. First one I will check here A greater than B. It means output is result. It means result. The result is equal to 5. Here we can return A less than B. Which one is less than? Result 2 is equal to 1 is equal to 5. Result 2 is equal to 4. It means A, B. Then AB means 4, 5, 4, 5. Which one is less one? A. So I will return A less than. Which one is greater than? B. So I will return 5. This one. Thank you.